What's going on, Trackuza team? Another hot video from your boy GT-R Dan. That's me. Welcome to the Trackuza YouTube channel, guys. Today we're gonna begin a great adventure today, guys. We're gonna go get a 2014 R35 GT-R that I previously built. Pretty much all boost logic, all full dots and parts on the transmissions, a Pro Max Plus clutch baskets, 1 through 6 gears, everything that we need. It's already been pre-built. It makes 1400 horsepower. It's on a 1300X boost logic turbo kit. The engine was built by myself and Marco at Billet Design. I assembled the whole car. The car runs super strong, super fast. We're gonna see that in this video today. The GT-R, we will see the GT-R in this video. We're gonna be doing a lot of things, guys, a lot of things. So right now, I'm gonna go get some petrol here at the Shell gas station, and we're gonna fill up 93 octane because that's what we put in the Silverado. And I'm gonna show you the rig, what we're doing today, and then we're gonna go get the car. We're gonna have a nice little adventure across Alligator Alley, we're gonna go get this car, man. Let's get this car. It's almost been what? We've been planning this build for almost like 3 years. I built the car 3 years ago. Kevin's had it this whole time. He's been driving it. The car has been stellar. It's only had 2 oil changes, and I'm going to be doing all the service as well. We're going to be documenting everything we do on the car. We're going to do suspension, roll cage, screen, digital screen. We're going to be doing a bunch of stuff, suspension work, interior work, all sorts of stuff. And I cannot wait, guys, for you guys to join me on this epic adventure.
So we're filming up. I'll show you guys the trailer. This is a tilt trailer. Pretty good. I ran it from my buddy. He rents it out to me, 120 bucks. And you get the trailer. It's a nice trailer. And he was like, Dan, I got something for you. And I was like, what's up? He got me race ramps. We got some race ramps in the back. The dual ones, they're $1,400 race ramps, guys. But yo, let's check out the Silverado real quick, guys. Let's check out the let's check out, man. I love my truck, baby. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh, if you guys didn't see, we're gonna do a little video on the Silverado. But I got wheel woods on it. Front 6 piston and the rear is 4 pistons, but the rear actually looks like they're 6 piston. Everybody thinks I got 6 piston calipers like on the GT-R. It's pretty funny. Anyways, guys, let's find out how much fuel we're gonna be using today. Jeez, man. $123.70, 24 gallons, using V-Power 93 octane. Damn. That's nuts. That's a lot of money for fuel, man. All right, Trackuza team, we're on our way. We're gonna go crossing Alligator Alley, which is here in South Florida. It pretty much separates Fort Lauderdale and Naples. You pretty much go right across the state. It's been around for a very long time. I don't know exactly the year it's built and stuff like that, but it's about an hour-and-a-half drive to go from Fort Lauderdale to Naples, tollgate to tollgate. It's about an hour-and-a-half. Where we're going, it's about 2 hours and 20 minutes or so, around that. We're going to be going to Cape Coral today. That's where the car, the R35 GT-R GT3 project car, is located. So we're going to go pick that up. We got some race ramps, so we're good. The trailer is really great. I've used this trailer before, actually, to pick up the Shark. This trailer was the trailer that I used to pick up the Shark and the Emperor at RMC and stuff like that. So let's go on this amazing little drive. It's kind of a boring drive, actually, guys. It's not the most fun. Let's talk about the GT3 project, guys, that we're about to start here. It's gonna be awesome. It's totally built by Trackuza now. And let me give you guys some backstory of why is it 1400 horsepower and who built it. Well, this is the second build that I did for Kevin. His first GT-R that he had, we did like an Alpha 9 on it. Later on, he sold it, bought a couple other different cars and stuff like that, and then he's just like, dude, I miss an R35. And everybody that I always tell that has an R35 and then sells it, they always regret it. I tell them, like, don't sell the car, don't sell it, you're gonna regret it, you're gonna regret it. They always sell it, they always try to buy a GT3 RS and it's just not fast enough, or they go buy a Porsche, or they buy a Ferrari or something, and they just go back to the GT-R. So I'm telling you guys good advice, don't sell your R35 if you have it. Just keep building it and build it.
Anyways, the second build is when I started working at Billet Design, which was good because that kind of like I already had the project that Kevin wanted to build, something around anywhere between 12 to 1400 horsepower. And I told him, I'm like, hey, I'm getting a job at Billet. Why don't we do the job at Billet Design? Which we did. As soon as I got working there, I told Marco, I'm like, hey, I'm bringing a customer on board, and he wants to do this. And so we put together an invoice. I put together an invoice for him that will have him reach 1400 horsepower. Now, knowing Marco, he's a Datsun certified GR6 transmission dealer and a builder from Datsun. And technically, he's the only one here in South Florida, yes. He's not the only Datsun dealer, but he's the only one that can build a GR6 transmission and has the training for it. Now, I've received training from Marco and also Glenn from back in the day from Datsun. So I can also build GR6 transmissions, and that was one of my biggest things that I wanted to do was build transmissions. I can do the basic service, all that stuff like that. So anyways, we did a Pro Max Plus, 1 through 6 gears, forks, everything has been upgraded on the transmission on this R35 GT-R. The engine was built at Billet Design by Marco and myself. I pretty much assembled the motor. The bottom end was built by, might be getting this wrong guys, but TDC in West Palm Beach. Mike, probably one of the best engine builders in the world. He put that bottom end together. And talking about bottom ends, guys, one of the big things, if you do own an R35 GT-R, you know, you can send your car to me. I could build it to whatever power range you want. I have so much experience on R35s, but one of the big things that I've always seen on people's builds, and I've always fixed on engines that blown up and everything, is the wrist pins. Guys, the R35 wrist pins they suck. The CP Carrillo rod wrist pin upgrade sucks. That's only good for like 1,000 horsepower. Like maybe 900 foot-pounds of torque. It's not good. Now, we offer a wrist pin that's good for like 2,000 plus foot-pounds of torque. That's what you want. You want to overkill your wrist pins on your engine build. Of course, you want to overkill anything you can that you can afford. You want to build it as strong as you can possibly build it, even if it's for 1,200 to 1,300. It's just going to make your engine last longer, right? So anyways, well, the bottom end was built over there in West Palm, and I assembled it. We put cams in it, springs, valves, port polish, headwork, everything. The whole thing is done. The manifold is a Boost Logic 12 injector setup. We have E85, it's running on E85, and it has the BL1300X kit. Big race intercooler, so on and so forth. All the Boost Logic doodads and gadgets and stuff that we could possibly think of. 12 injector controller from Visconti. Man, everything, dude. Everything is done on this car. Brakes, we got just upgraded brakes with the lines. Suspension has KW sleeve kit, but other than that, it's bone stock. And then we got some raised wheels, which we're actually going to be selling here now because we got new wheels for the car. Now, the GT3 project consists of what, Dan? Like, what are we doing on this GT3 project that's going to make it a GT3? Well, we are doing a full conversion of the body kit. It's a full carbon fiber built by VAD Design, VAD Design. This is probably the 4th kit made or the 5th kit they made. I'm not 100% sure how many kits are made. There were a bunch of kits made for race cars out there that were actually just being used for race cars, but not really a lot. I think this might be the 4th one, but this might be the only one that's a street car that's fully GT3 out. I think this kit is the only street car that has the full GT3 wing on the rear. No, the other cars that are built, the GT, they only have like the wide body kit, like the front bumper, the rear bumper, the side, the over fenders, and that's it. This is getting the dry carbon trunk with the dry carbon wing, dry carbon front lip, and dry carbon rear diffuser. I think I'm the only one that has that. So we're the only thing out of the GT3 kit from VAD Design that we're missing is the roof that I didn't want to do, and the hood. The reason why we got a different hood is because we have the Boost Logic manifold. Now you got to be careful when you're picking hoods and you got a 12 injector setup or a big manifold, right? It won't make the I'm going to show you guys when we do it, but it won't make the clearance. The hood won't clear the manifolds, and you'll have it. Like, for instance, if you do a Liberty Walk hood on a 12 injector setup, it just won't work. It'll hit, and then you have to cut everything, and then the customer's out $6,000-$7,000 just for a hood. You know, those hoods are super expensive. So that's pretty much what the car has on it right now. We're gonna go through the whole car eventually. Probably in this video, we'll probably go over the whole car once we get back home, back to the Trackuza headquarters. But this is gonna be epic, guys. This is gonna be a big build. And now, what are we doing on the car to make it a GT3 car, right? So we got the body kit, bad design, full body kit. It's gonna be awesome. It has front canards and everything like that. What are we adding on top of that? Now there's a lot that you have to do to just get a Widebody kit on the road and actually completed and done and all that stuff, right? So we're doing the KW-H4 hydraulic suspension, or cup kit. It's the most extreme KW suspension system you can buy from KW. And it has a lift kit. So you guys know how the Lamborghinis and the McLarens and all that, they have a lift kit that goes up like 2 inches and drops down 2 inches. This has like a 4-inch drop. I'm not 100% sure, but the front and the rear go up. There is a pump for the car, which we're gonna have to mount, but we're gonna do a whole entire installation process video on that alone. Every part that we put on the car, we're gonna make a video, because I wanna make that for the website, guys, so we have like kind of like an instruction video. We have my own version of the instruction video of how to do things. It's gonna be up on Trackuza.com. All the parts that you're gonna see on this build, you can buy on the website right now at Trackuza.com. Even the Widebody kit. The Widebody kit, if you're interested in the GT3 kit, guys, you have to call me. The prices are online, and I have to walk you through everything and how to acquire a kit like this. We do offer Porsche Cup kits and all sorts of stuff like that too. A lot of race car conversion kits we do have. So holler at your boy. We can go on WhatsApp. You can message me directly, and you can purchase the kit. Now, what else are we doing, guys? You know, what else are we doing? We got a roll cage for this. We got a GT-R roll cage that we're going to be installing. Another video will be popped out for that. We got the center digital dash screen for the dash and the center radio replacement, so we're going to do that. We got some beautiful Boost Logic carbon fiber seats that are not in yet, with some sparkle harnesses and accessories and stuff like that. We didn't mess around with the steering wheel yet, because that's going to be a later project. We're going to do something really cool and custom. The interior already has Alcantara in it, so you know, we don't have to worry about a lot of things. Just the seats are missing. So we got that. We're doing a carbon ceramic disc conversion, the ZR1 brake caliper, or brake rotors, onto a GT-R conversion from Boost Logic. So we're doing that. The brake calipers are already painted red, so we really don't need to worry about that. And then, all right, got through the toll gate. And then after that, we're doing a, let me get over here. All right, let's go with the big ass trailer in the back. And then after that, guys, we're going to be doing we're doing the brakes, sway bars, rear camber link from SPL, front rear sway bars, of course, just because he said there was a lot of roll, and I told him with these wheels that we're going to get and the tires, the roll's going to kind of stop. With the wheels, we're going Strauss Forge wheels. Tires, we're probably going to go with Toyo 888s. We haven't got that yet, but we haven't got the tires yet, but the wheels are getting built right now. The seats are on their way here, and we're gonna get, the only thing we're missing right now technically, guys, is the wheels and the mirrors. We got really badass race mirrors, but we don't have those yet. Everything else we pretty much got. Suspension's on point, the wheels we got, the body kit's there. We're gonna have to do a bunch of maintenance on the car. We're gonna have to do a bunch of yeah, we're going to do the full maintenance on the car before we deliver the car. And then once I install the body kit, I'm going to have to do a little bit of light sanding, and then we're going to go take it to a body shop. And that's the other problem. We don't have a body shop yet, guys. That's the big elephant in the room right now, that we have to find a body shop for it. So anyways, guys, that being said, let's enjoy this ride. And then once we get there, we're going to, it'll be a short little break for you, but a short little second clip here, but we will be in Cape Coral before you know it. So let's go. right, Trackuza team. It is nighttime here in Fort Myers. We did get the car. Everything's good. I didn't want to film at Kevin's house. I just didn't do it. I just kind of just went with it and put the car up on there and everything like that. But I want to show you guys the car real quick. So we might go somewhere else and video because we're kind of in the public. A little camera shy, but here's the GT-R, guys. This is our project car that we have. It is currently making about 1,400 horsepower. And really cool car. It's a 2012, not a 2014, 2012. And we're gonna do some really cool things on it. We're gonna especially put a new coat of paint on this thing because this thing is rough shape, in rough shape. So we're gonna get new trims. We got to take this window out. We got to take the trim out. We got to get a new window. We're not gonna get a new window. We're just gonna take it out. We're gonna take out the window because where the quarter panel hits the fenders. Oh, shit. Loud exhaust, man. Dang it. We got to take, we might have to take the rear glass out, but I'm not sure yet. We might have to. Fenders coming off, hood's coming off, from bumper. I'm going to have a lot of spare parts. These Ray wheels, I love these wheels. They're just so nice. I'm going to be selling these up pretty soon. Brake calipers. The brake calipers are actually red, but after looking at them, they've been red for a very long time. So we're going to put we're gonna do a new coat of powder coating on there, nice red. We don't know actually what exact color I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna get these powder coated as soon as possible, maybe next week. I got some carbon ceramics for it, guys, and from Boost Logic, so that's awesome. I can't wait. We're gonna put those on. I don't know if this thing has brake lines, but we're gonna check. I think it does. I think I installed it a long time ago. I just don't remember. There's a KW sleeve kit on here, but we're gonna be putting that KW H4 cup kit, whatever it's called, the best KW suspension kit you can put on a GT-R. It's getting it. It'll be lifting on all four corners, so all four corners will be lifting. Yeah. So we got to do we're going to do some interior work. We're going to do a bunch of stuff, guys. It's going to be awesome. I can't wait to show you all the parts and all the goodies that we're going to put on here.